Viewers, and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how can you guys use VPN on your Google Chrome. So first of all, you just need to open your Google Chrome. Search here web store. Click here. Type here ZenMate VPN. Click here first, ZenMate. Add to Chrome. It will take a few seconds to install in your Google Chrome. Click here, add extension. So it has been added to my Google Chrome. You can see this ZenMate VPN, just pin here, and now you can see this. It is ready to use. You just need to click on this, and now you can see this. It has been started. If you want to off, just click again, it will off. If you want to start this, just click. Using this VPN you can change your location, and if you want to access a website which has been banned in your area, you can access this by using this VPN. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So goodbye.